In this video, I want to show you how to adjust your menu. So all you got to do is hover over the menu and click Edit Menu, and you're going to see all these drop downs here. Obviously, there's the logo section. You can increase the size of your logo. The next one down is Menu Style. This is basically where you can pick so many options. You can choose a top menu, you can choose a bottom menu. These are the positionings. And then you can choose the text position, so left, middle, and right position. Now, a couple of these options right here, let me show you what these do. So default menu basically means that this is going to be the menu that's on throughout the site. You know, every page is going to look the same if it's selected on default menu. Okay, so currently this is what the site looks like, just like that. Now, if you want a custom menu for this page, all you got to do is click on that drop down and click custom menu, and all of a sudden the menu, you can turn it to whatever you want, and it's going to be different from the rest of the pages. So for example, let me show you. I'm going to click preview, and if I go to my home page, it's going to have a different menu there. Okay, if I go to commercial, it's going to have another menu once again, and if I click fashion, it's going to have another menu. That's because this is a custom menu and it's different from the rest. So that's cool option there. It comes in handy when you're doing like you want a custom home page or whatnot. Now, animated menu, you can play around with this. Basically, it creates a hamburger menu here. You can choose your animated style, like full screen. And then let me show you what this does. I click preview, and now when somebody clicks there, it's going to show you your menu just like that. It's going to reveal it. So I'm actually going to go, back here and go back to a normal style. All right. Okay, so let me show you some of these other options. Basically, you can choose your background color. You can choose the opacity of the menu, so you can see it better like this, right? Choose the opacity of the menu. You can choose the size and then the margins. So a bunch of cool stuff there. And also you can click on these. Show home and menu, show blog and menu right there. Got it. Okay, next thing would be the link section. This is where you can organize your links. So let's say I want my commercial to be underneath my entertainment, right? So you can just adjust the organization of that just like that. And then if you want to create a sub menu, very simple, you just grab this and you drag it to the right slightly, and it'll create that little like half box thing. Let me show you now with preview. It'll create an arrow, and bam, there you go. You have your sub menu just like that. So very simple. That's underneath the links, and to unlink it, just drag it back to the right. And you can also create external links here, basically meaning, you know, if I want to link to an external page or an external blog, you can type in the name. Let's say I have another blog on another page. Let's do that, and make sure you type in the full URL, HTTP and all, then click save, and bam, it's been created right there. Okay, so those are all about links. Now, last thing would be social media. If you don't have anything connected here, just click Manage Social Networks. And if you go down here in the Social Connection section, you'll see whatever's grayed out means you haven't made any connection there. So over here on my Facebook, I've actually made this connection. So the way that you do this, very simple. You can just go to your Facebook page. So I'm just going to click here to go to my Facebook page. So I'm here on the main page. I'm going to copy this link, and then I come in here and I just paste it, right? I'm not going to paste it right now because I already have my other one. But you just paste it in and then click update. Make sure it's the full URL. Now when you go back to your page, very simple, go back to the menu. You can see that you can turn on, you know, the icon will show up all of a sudden, and you can turn it on or off. So that's off and this is on. If you see, if I turn off the social network, it's not going to show up. And then if I turn it on, bam, it shows up there. So there you go. That is how you adjust your menu.